Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to enhance video using NVIDIA's AI video algorithms. Specifically, we're going to upscale the video using RTX Super Resolution, and we're going to be enhancing the video to HDR using RTX HDR. To do this, we will need an RTX card, so 2000 series and onward. And we will be using an application called Staxrip. Staxrip is an open source and free video management software. It's found on GitHub, and you download the file. It'll be a zip file, extract it, and once you extract it, go into the folder, and this is the contents of the folder. The application is right here, so you'll double click it. You'll find the video that you're interested in upscaling or enhancing. Drag it over here. It's a pretty small video, so process pretty quickly. Larger ones may take a little longer. So you want to remove this default option right here. And we're going to add a different resize option, and this is hardware encoder. So we want to change the resolution to double the resolution. Now you'll click right here and click H265, go to encoder, start at basic, this one right here, and you can put it to whatever quality option you want. The lower the number, the higher the quality, but also the higher the file size. So we can put preset for which speed you want it to be. We'll just leave it at the default. The output, since it's going to be HDR video, 10-bit, then main 10, again, because it's HDR video, and we can leave the others as default. We'll go to VPP, go to resize, and the algorithm we want to put NVIDIA VSR, or Video Super Resolution, and you can put it to whichever quality you want, depending on how intense you want the effect, the processing to be. And I'll just put it to the max. The max is 4. NGX True HDR is the next thing we want to do, and that's for converting SDR to HDR. Like it says right here, we'll click the checkbox, and these options can be customizable. The contrast and saturation go up to 200, so we're not maxing it out. The max luminance can go up to 2000, but we'll leave it at 1000. Next thing we're going to want to do is go to VUI and go to color matrix, put BT 2020 non-constant. Color primaries, put it to BT 2020. And the transfer function, we want to put it to SMPT E2084. The next thing we want to do to speed things up is go to decoder, put it to DXVA2, and this helps use the hardware decoder when we're decoding the video before it encodes into the higher quality video. Click OK, and if there's any audio that you want to be re-encoded, you can convert it using this option right here. But if you just want it to be transferred over to the new file, then you click just mux, or copy mux. And so right here, none of the audio will be re-encoded. So you'll click add job and then click start. And you can already see that the video is processing. And if we kind of make this window bigger, we can confirm that the algorithms we want to be being used are being used. We will let it encode, and I'll be back when it's done. So we are now done encoding, and you can see that a new file has been produced. Now let's open it up and kind of take a look at it. We'll look at the properties, and we can see that the resolution is increased to 3840 by 2160, so it's in 4K. It is in a bit depth of 10, and the color is in BT 2020, and transfer is in PQ, so all of these are consistent with HDR video. We'll look through the video and we can kind of see that it does look like some of the edges have been improved, so the resolution has been increased, and we can see some of the differences in the bright areas of the video and the dark areas of the video. At least the contrast of it does seem to have increased. Now you can argue whether or not it looks natural or it looks good, but it does look like the algorithm has been applied. Additionally, I did use NVIDIA's NSight tools to look at the tensor core activity, and I did confirm that tensor core activity is present when we use these algorithms. So I do think that it's using the NVIDIA AI algorithms to upscale the video. So hopefully that is pretty straightforward and kind of shows you guys how to, one, upscale the video, and the other, converting it from SDR to HDR. This works on offline files, so you can upscale it and then you can save it for later viewing. So thanks guys for listening, and hopefully this was helpful.